Hi, this is the second part of the reverse normals. We inverted the entire geometry, working with face vertex data and normals. Let's start. First, we select all the faces. Inside the iterate, we process all the faces to update the face vertex and face vertex normal indices. At this point, the face vertex normals are correct, but the point normals are not correct yet. To fix this, we use update mesh normals, and we disable remove face vertex normals. Now the point normals are correct. This is the end of the second part. In the next and final video, we will work with the face selection and clean and rebuild arrays, normals and indices. Thanks for watching.